Hello guys, today I will show how to change new NVMe drive to the MacBook Air using adapter. Usually it's come with 121 gigabytes. Okay, let me show my initial setup. And this utility, yeah, here you can see my initial drive. I installed 121 gigabytes. Then I like to change it to 512 gigabytes. Yeah, it's almost full. Let me show the write and read speed of current drive, which is usually come with MacBooks. Yeah, 188 MB per second and 1045 MB per second. Okay, let's see. This one is a NVMe N2 to MacBook SSD's adapter converter. This one is a XPG 512 gigabytes M2 NVMe drive. This is a drive and this is a sticker, and take it out and see. This is NVMe drive, M2 drive. You can see the different port layout. Here is the so we can use this adapter to connect with the MacBook. Yeah, usually this one. Then only you can connect with this MacBook board. Usually MacBooks are not same M2 drive port layout, so we can use this adapter. And this is a toolkit for Disassembling the MacBook. Okay, let's see how to change. Okay, remove the screws. There are 10 screws. Remove the old screws here. On this back, these 2 screws and some big, and on these small screws. Remove the screws. Use I will show the type of screwdriver. Okay, then carefully pull out the case. Yeah, keep it safely and yeah, this is a SSD. This is important to remove anything from the board. Make sure not only MacBook, make sure in any laptop when you deassemble, first remove the battery. If you are not to see remove the batteries, it may short circuit because of touching the board. So first remove the battery and see here that this is a SSD drive. So we can remove this SSD and change a new one. Okay, let me show how to change this one. First remove the back screw carefully. Now take it out and pull the SSD back. Yes, just pull softly. Okay, this is 121GB SSD, but this one is a NVMe drive. So let's see the difference. Yeah, these are the different. That's why we use this adapter to convert to use this NVMe to drive with MacBooks. So this adapter and MacBook are same layout. Then insert the AM to NVMe drive to the adapter and place it the SSD place. Now see this. These are the same layout. That's why we use this adapter. Okay, then insert the adapter into the drive, but there is a problem in length. If I just buy the wrong drive, because I will cut this one. Let me show how to cut this one. You can see here there is a mark, there's a line mark, so you can cut there. Yeah, you can cut here, but if you don't like to take this, just buy this one. I will share in screen. Yeah, this is or this also the cheap adapter, so you can buy this one instead of this. If you buy this one, there's no need to cut this single adapter. Okay, I cut that length and sort it out. Okay, we don't need that. We just use this one. Okay, then yeah, the small sellotape or like something. It's optional. If you want, you can. Okay, perfect. Then insert the SSD into this adapter, the cutoff adapter. Yeah. Yeah, insert the NVMe drive to the adapter. Press insert the adapter with your board carefully and softly. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Is that okay? Okay, it's fine. Then insert the NVMe to drive into the adapter. Just pull it in inside. Okay. Yeah, it's now okay. And this one's a cover. No, this sticker. You can stick this one. Now you can paste this one in the drive. Okay, fine. Okay, the next thing, tight the screw. Tight the screw. Okay, then connect the power cable. Okay, fine. Then close the case and make sure this don't touch the board. So carefully this case. Connect all screws. And keep on mind the long two screws are in the back side. And the screws are the same all the time. Tight all screws. Okay. Let's check. Let's turn on the PC, turn on the laptop, and let's check what's happened. Yeah. Press the power button as usual. Wait some minutes, it takes some minutes to read from your new SSD. Just wait for it. Yeah, it's like it's so there is no operating system available in my new SSD, so I take this question mark. So it's mean the SSD is ready now, so it's working. Then I will show how to install macOS. Turn off the Mac by long press this power button. Press the Command and Option R with power button at the same time. It will boot into internet recovery. Yeah, when you show this world figure, it's running the internet recovery. It may take some while. Just wait for it. After that, you can get this Mac utilities window. So you can see here this utility and install OS, everything. First I open the disk utility, just format the drive, rename it. You can rename as you like. It automatically unmount and remount. Okay, done. Okay, your new hard drive is ready for install macOS. Then install the macOS and click on continue. When I install, there's a macOS Catalina is available as latest. So I will install macOS Catalina. Click on continue. Just wait. Then click connect here. Click connect. select the disk you want. There is a single disk, so click on this, then install. You must connect your charger for install macOS, otherwise it will show this pop-up to connect the charger. Then connect your magnet charger, power adapter, it's automatically gone. Okay, then you can click install. It will start to install, but it's need to download from internet. That's near the 5 GB or something, so it may take a while. Just wait, and I will cut the video and re-record after installed. It's not finished. Okay, after that it will start to reboot. After install, it will automatically start to reboot, and then you can see a normal operating system boot window. Finally we are on OS configuration. Set up your configuration as what you like. Once finish your configuration, you can start with your new SSD and new Windows macOS. Once finish all configuration, I will dark mode. I will choose dark mode. Here is your new SSD and new macOS. Then I will show the disk utility with newly installed 512GB NVMe SSD. Wait, other thing is we can compare the speed of SSDs, which would normally come with Mac and NVMe. So let's try to see the different speed difference between them. Let's then download this speed test. You can get it free on App Store. This speed test, install it, and then open the software and run. You can see the newly installed SSDs write and read speed, and then click on start. Here you can see my currently installed SSD write and read speed. Both are above 1000 MB per second. So let me show my old SSD speed together. Yeah, I will compare these two SSD speed in the same window. The new NVMe drive which I installed now, the speed of this one is much better than the old pre-installed SSD on MacBook Air. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video I will show how to install Windows on MacBook. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.